Hi, my name is Lucas, and if you're dealing with large data and complex systems, please join me.
Let's have a look at the OMrun user settings. You can access the user settings by navigating to Config User Settings. The first option allows you to change the theme of OMrun. You can choose between dark mode and light mode. I prefer dark mode, so let's select that. You'll see a prompt reminding you that OMrun will restart and close all open tabs. Don't worry, OMrun saves continuously, so no data will be lost. The second option is to adjust the query font size. In a test data object, you have an SQL query. This setting allows you to change the font size of the query text. This can make coding easier based on your personal preference. Larger fonts are particularly useful when presenting or working in a group. The third option is to set the reporting application. OMrun lets you export executed test results into Excel or any other spreadsheet application. With the default option, the test results are exported to the application set as default for .xlsx files in Windows. Alternatively, you can choose to export the results specifically to MS SQL, OpenOffice Calc, or LibreOffice Calc, regardless of the default application set in Windows. The last option allows you to reopen all previously opened tabs when you restart or open OMrun again.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other sessions. Happy comparing and see you next time.